This is Kathleen Totoris, Spiritual Intuitive. Welcome to these positive affirmations designed to generate hope and momentum as you affirm your power to shape your life experience. Make sure you are comfortable. Take a few deep breaths and relax. Quiet all negative thoughts and imagine all barriers that you have built between you and hope melting away. Let's begin. I am worthy of the good things that happen in my life. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacles. I trust in myself, and I know the universe supports me. I choose to focus on the positives in my life. I am enough just as I am. I am filled with strength and resilience. Every situation offers an opportunity to grow and learn. I trust in myself and the journey that is unfolding before me. I am focused on the positive aspects of my life. I know that the power to create my life lies within me. I am a powerful creator. I am positive. I am hopeful. I am worthy of love and respect. I create the life I desire through dedication and focus. I create the life I desire through positive thinking and deliberate thought. My thoughts shape my reality in a positive way. I trust myself to make decisions that will lead me to success and contentment. Happiness and joy come from within me. Everything in my life is happening for my highest good. My life unfolds in perfect timing. Today is an opportunity for growth and learning, and every experience has something valuable to offer me. I have all the tools necessary within me to be successful at anything I put my mind to accomplish. My potential is limitless. There are no obstacles that can stand in my way. I allow myself unconditional self-love each day. I am grateful for the beauty and love in my life, and I live each day with intention, hope, and joy. I know that I have the power to create a beautiful life. Every moment is an opportunity to transform my future. I stand in my truth, and I stand in my power as a creator. My strength lies within me, and I use my strength to break down barriers and forge new paths. I choose love over fear, courage over doubt, peace over anxiety, kindness over judgment, and optimism over pessimism. My attitude is my greatest asset and will always guide me towards success. I am capable of creating and manifesting the life I desire. I recognize the power within me to create whatever reality I choose, and I use it to build the life of my dreams. I have unlimited potential for greatness. I embrace every opportunity to reach joyful, positive, loving experiences. I know my thoughts shape my reality. I maintain positive thoughts throughout my day. I exercise the power that I have as a deliberate creator. I am filled with love and kindness toward myself and others. I have the power to live my best life, and I make it so. My potential to succeed is limitless. I trust in the journey of my life and know that the universe supports me. I am grateful for the abundance flowing into my life. I am grateful for the good and kind people who are coming into my life. I am open to receiving love and positivity. I choose to rise above negative thoughts and low vibrations. I carry feelings of well-being and stability with me throughout my day. I am shown love and respect every day. I love and respect myself. I receive love and kindness from those around me. I am true to myself. I accept myself and know that I am enough just as I am. I am embracing the truths these affirmations have brought to my mind. Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine. Say them out loud, write them down, or meditate on them. The key is to speak these words with intention. Believe in their power and watch as they transform your life. If you enjoyed these affirmations, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on all notifications so that you will be alerted each time I upload new affirmations.